Welcome to the inner you. Make yourself comfortable by lying down or reclining in a way that feels good to you. Close your eyes and look into the darkness of your eyelids. Take a moment and ask yourself how you feel. Check in with yourself. Take a deep breath in and let go. Bring your awareness to your breath. Be with it and observe it. With each inhale, imagine gathering up any tension or stress of the day into a pile. And with each exhale, feel that pile of stress leaving your body, flowing out with your breath. Feel how the breath connects with your body. Continue to take slow, deep breaths, letting yourself settle into the present moment. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your body, like a gentle glow of the setting sun. Feel its warmth at the top of your head as it trickles to your face. Let the light melt away any tension in your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Feel it flow down through your neck and shoulders, easing away the weight of the day. The warm light continues to move, softening your arms, your hands, and your fingers. With each breath, you feel your diaphragm and chest expand and then relax, as if all tension is melting away into the glow. The light flows through your back, your hips, your legs, and down to your feet and toes. Your entire body is wrapped in the soothing warm light. You are a cocoon of calm. As you rest in this state of comfort, allow yourself to release any lingering thoughts. Acknowledge anything that comes to mind. Tell it it's okay, and then see those thoughts as leaves floating on a gentle stream, drifting further and further away. As you repeat these calming phrases to yourself, I am calm. I am safe. I am ready to rest. With each repetition, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, fading away and sinking deeper into stillness. Imagine the world around you settling down, the sky darkening, a gentle hush falling over everything, and a quiet stillness takes over. Become part of this peaceful rhythm, your breath slow and steady, matching the calm of the night, inviting you to rest. Allow yourself to surrender completely to this moment. There is nothing you need to do and nowhere you need to be. You are exactly where you're meant to be in this moment in time. Safe, calm, and ready to drift into a peaceful sleep. If your mind begins to wander, gently return to the warmth of the light surrounding you and the steady rhythm of your breath. Repeat softly to yourself, I am calm. I am safe. I am ready to rest. Let this mantra guide you into deeper relaxation, allowing sleep to come naturally. I am calm. I am safe. I am ready to rest. If you're lying down to sleep, allow yourself to drift peacefully into rest. If you need to rise, bring your awareness back to your breath and gently wiggle your fingers and toes, opening your eyes when you're ready. Carry this sense of calm with you as you transition into the rest of your evening.